In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox not installing. Now the first thing you should do is come down here and search run. In here type %local app data %. Press enter and you should come to this folder. In here you want to look for your Roblox folder. Mine is right here. And in here you want to go to versions. And in here you should see a version folder. Maybe you see more, and that's fine. We want to look for the one that has the installer and launcher, or one of them in there. Now if you open a folder and those are not in here, just go back and open another version. Once you found the installer and the launcher, what you want to do is right click, properties, compatibility, and run this program as an administrator. Press apply, press OK, and then try and launch it. Now do this also for the other one. Right click, properties, compatibility, program administrator, and then try and launch that one. Now check if any of these works. If they don't, what I suggest you do is you do a clean reinstall of Roblox. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here, search for apps and features. In here we're gonna search for Roblox. Delete this one, uninstall, and this one as well, and anything else you have with Roblox. Once you've deleted it, you want to go back into the run, back into local app data, and you want to delete this Roblox folder right here. So simply delete this one, and once you've done both of these, you're going to reinstall Roblox. So just head to roblox.com and go to download, or you can go to roblox.com and select a game and press play. Both of those are going to install Roblox again. Or as a last resort, if none of these work, what you can do is come here and search for Microsoft Store and then try and download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. Now for some reason there's some problems. If you have problems downloading from the website, it will fix the issue by just downloading it from the store. So you can search for Roblox in here and you should see there's a free version of Roblox right here that you can install. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.